Oh, hi.
Hi, everybody.
Happy Tuesday.
Yeah, happy Tuesday after Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And after Small Business Weekend. It was really a great weekend.
It was a busy weekend.
Wow. It was exciting. I don't know. I just love busy days, and I just love moving around the shop really fast and helping people. I love to see how many people I can help at the same time.
Personal goal.
Yeah, it kind of is. I do love help. I just love working with people. So that was just a really awesome day. Yeah. Ashley was
weekend.
Here on Sunday. You were here on Saturday.
Friday was busy.
Yeah, it was
busy. And, 'tis the season.
Right.
Tis the season.
Yep.
But we're kind of doing a Thanksgiving leftover thing. I don't have any Thanksgiving leftovers.
That's why
at the house.
I wore my stretchy pants.
We found a song in the new holiday tune lineup on Spotify that was called Stretchy Pants.
Isn't that Carrie Underwood?
I think so.
Yeah, it's her going up for seconds multiple times.
That did come up at our Thanksgiving table, like stretchy pants that was mentioned. Carrie's classic comment is the food baby.
Yeah, food baby.
Food baby.
Yeah,
But
I wish that was my excuse.
It was fun. And today is Giving Tuesday, which, it's just one fun day after the next.
I know.
We've been collecting spare change all weekend, and that we're going to be matching and donating on the end of today. We'll probably get it over there tomorrow to the YWCA.
Yep. I don't know if anybody knows, but both Sue and I served on the board at the YWCA, and so really active in all of those programs that they had. I was active in the, I think it was the employment and training program, and I honestly don't know right now if they still have it, but
sure
I did help a lot with that before I even was on the board. So
I was right at the tail end of the serious kickoff for, it was in the works for the transitional housing or the low-income housing building that they actually built, and that that's up and
now
going,
they
and
built
going
another
strong. Anyway,
like that's more was a transitional. Now they have like an actual apartment, so
yes,
I think
they
people
do.
can live in.
Yeah, there's transitional now. There's low end. There's it's a great organization.
We've always thought so.
But also, I guess along those lines, we're still collecting warm hand-knit items, hats, scarves, mittens, cowls, to give to...
I brought some.
Oh, cute.
In.
We're going to be giving, probably mid-December, we need to get that over, to Tumbleweed Teens, which is a place for homeless teens in the community to go to for resources. There's a chunk, unfortunately, who are, couch surfing or whatever. So we're going to give kind of the cool hats and stuff probably to them.
Because they just don't really like people to know that, maybe, especially if they're in school. They don't want them to know that they are perhaps homeless.
And then also Riverstone Health, our community, Yellowstone County's health department, has the Tree of Warmth. And so that, could be anything. And we'll take those over there.
And I think we just got a big bag of something yesterday.
We did.
Someone
Some
brought
scarves.
in some scarves.
Yeah.
These are made by our friend Wendy.
Oh my gosh.
And she made them out of self-striping sock yarn.
Sock yarn, they are awesome. And she lined them with fleece.
I know. It's really nice. Not like a super thick fleece, but it's perfect.
She's a talented one.
I love it. These little hand-sewn edges.
Those are awesome. Fine craftsperson.
It got me thinking about our self-striped sock.
Yeah.
We tried to find the right word to call these. They call them ready-made socks. I call them socks you don't have to knit.
Yay. Made with actual sock yarn.
And I kind of was throwing out your idea. Is your dad watching?
I don't know if he watches or not.
Well, Sue's idea is
I'm knitting a hat with this and giving these socks.
So he'll think she made the socks.
Well, he knows the story on the socks.
Yes, but make sure you take the label off.
Yeah. Anyway, that'll be fun.
But that's the trick, though. You can pretend. Yeah, you don't have to say that you didn't make them. You just look here.
Yeah.
They'll assume.
Yeah. So so those are here. We have all kinds of goodies, seriously, in the shop.
And it's lots of sizes. So
socks.
size for everyone.
Back to socks. Okay,
Okay.
so today our theme is just sort of leftovers. Yeah.
Well, there's
were-
things we've been
Yeah.
wanting to chat about
Mhm.
that we think are awesome,
Mhm.
but we didn't maybe get to on before
Right.
Thanksgiving. So,
Yep. Okay.
and this is true because we got this yarn in, but we were so busy that we weren't able to get it out. So
Right.
it's sort of like Thanksgiving leftovers. But this is Rasta from Malabrigo, and we actually got like 10 colors. I think
Pretty.
it's just,
It's
I
a
think you got
popular
them all.
yarn.
Yeah,
It's very
these
popular.
are all fun. So, we got some nice solids that you could pair with the other ones. And some of the patterns out there for Rasta are so fun. I love
You have
them.
surely seen them.
Mhm.
Yes,
scrolling
you
Instagram.
probably have, but it's nice to have this in person.
Here's Mirror Pond. Look at that. Fun. Cute,
I love
cute.
it.
Nice.
And
You
this,
could get 2 skeins and make 2 hats.
Two hats.
If you flip the colors.
Mhm.
okay, cool.
Yeah.
And
Great.
so this one is called Lotus Flower.
Pretty.
And so, although we don't have like a neutral like that, we have neutrals in plenty of other yarns that we know would pair really nice with
Or
that.
just
Well,
pick
that-
like the
yeah,
green
the
and then
solid.
that blue,
Yeah, right.
With the
Yeah,
Either
that would be
one.
so cool. I
Mhm.
just love all of these colors.
Very fun. Beautiful.
I've been wanting to, I actually have never worked with Rasta before.
Oh. I don't know
So-
if I have either,
So
to be
I'm
honest.
kind of excited
Huh.
because I think you could get this hat,
Oh,
tonight.
such a quick
Like, you don't even have to stay up late for that.
right.
So,
Fun.
yeah, I just really love that.
Yay, that's
Yay for
fun.
us.
So that came in on Friday, and we did not have time. We just literally threw it in our office.
I know.
It
We were
was-
trying to
was
walk
like getting-
over it. It's
Getting
like,
ready
oh
for
my
company.
God.
Just throw it in there.
Yeah, it was. Our office became what we all call the room of requirements. I bet everybody has one, or multiple. Yeah,
pretty fun-
My
yeah.
craft room is the
Oh.
room of requirements.
But it was kind of nice yesterday to pull that out. It was like, wow, instant clean. Our floor
Yeah.
is walkable.
That's what I love. Well, Maddie always said her floor was just another shelf. We got this
Oh.
really cool kit from
Polka dot
Polka
sheep.
Dot Sheep. It's called Rooftop Landing.
A brand new pattern from
Reindeer.
Aimee. Yeah, those
Yep,
are cute.
And so we bought every color she had
Mm-hmm.
because we thought you'd
got
want
some there.
choices.
Here's a couple combos.
But
Pretty.
we have more.
Yeah,
We do. We have lots of choices.
So great gift to give to your favorite knitter, or to get and make.
I think
to
there's
give?
red and white. There's dark
Oh,
navy
there's
and
tons.
white. There's black and white.
There's
There's
a-
gold and blue. Yeah, there's so many really beautiful color combos. Just love that.
Yeah. So sport weight. It's a great little pattern, and you could get it done.
I have it up on the website too. We put it up there.
Mm-hmm.
So
Good.
good for
Okay.
us.
So
That's
those
good.
came in. What else? Ashley is working on a cute pattern, Thanksgiving Mitts by Romi Hill, and she's using Germantown, beautiful navy, and then our very fun bulky neons, the mini skeins. Woo! That's cute. I bet that's showing up pretty
And
darn
you know
good
what I
for
love
ya.
about some people are like, I just want something dark, but then I keep thinking, okay, imagine you left your mitts in your car. Are you gonna find them if they're black? No. Are you gonna find them if they're neon? Yes. I think every child that has things stuffed in their lockers are gonna get lost on the playground.
They're
So
very
that
fun.
neon will carry up through the top as well.
Okay.
So I'll start more color work.
And
at
what's the name of this one?
Whoa.
Thanksgiving mitts.
Well,
Thanksgiving
Okay.
mitts. Cool. Nice.
I love that. So, these you'll just have to give us a call because I don't think I have them on the website.
Yeah,
So,
and honestly, yeah, call us. You guys know that if there's ever an issue on our website or something, just call.
yeah,
Or
don't
send
give
us
up.
an email.
Yeah, we'll
Um,
make sure you get what you want.
We are a
when you
small
want it.
business. That's the beauty of us. We can talk with you personally.
Right.
So
Yeah.
we definitely.
So, on the same small business thing. So Maddie lives in Australia. So, we've shipped some gifts. It's ungodly expensive to ship. So, but we found a very nice small family-owned business in Australia that's a toy store. And I sent some gifts for Hayden's birthday, and we'll probably do it again for Christmas. But the nice thing is I was able to, he called me.
Cool.
And wanted to know if he should wrap the presents.
That's so nice.
Which I thought was such a nice thing to do. He knew that I was not wasn't in Brisbane. So, but that's what small businesses can do. Walmart's not going to call you
Amazon
and ask
will
if
not
you
call
want
you.
it wrapped.
Yeah.
You're not even going to get an email about
No
it.
bot will call you.
Nope. Nope.
Yeah.
No.
Anyway, that's
This
what
bod
that is.
will call you.
That's what we love. That is what we
Yeah.
love, and I think a lot of people appreciate that. So, anyway, and we are grateful for it. So, yeah.
Well, and then so because we love you so much, this weekend is our big gift card weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, you can come in, call, $50 gift card, you get a $10 one for yourself. So
Right.
I would say that last year, a lot of people just sort of like did it for
I was
themselves.
going to say, or keep the 50 for yourself.
There
and
you
the
go.
10 for yourself. Or
I know.
just put it in your own Christmas stocking.
But okay, so here's our cute gift cards, and this is kind of a fun thing. These really fun Notions tins came in last week from Firefly Notes, and they conveniently will hold a gift card.
They have the cutest designs.
But
You might have to come a little closer
Yeah.
To show these. They are darling.
Yeah,
they're
beautiful.
based on vintage prints.
Uh-huh.
They're handmade.
Well, yes,
And
they're-
they hold more than just knitting notions. I mean,
know.
but how perfect are they for stitch markers?
I think they hold lots of quarters.
Yep.
if you wanna
quarters
come
in your
downtown.
car. Oh, by the way, parking
yeah.
downtown free till the end of the year.
Yeah. Yeah, 2
Yeah.
hours for free
Yep.
till New Year's Eve.
So here's the Sly Fox box. Very cute.
I like this one. It says shiny things. Because that's what you'd put in there.
And wisdom for your favorite student.
And there's really some fun sheep-related ones that are pretty cute, too.
the vintage mushrooms are really cool.
They look great on
Shrooms.
a T-shirt,
They
too.
do.
But what else could you put in here? I mean, little girls. Oh
Hair
my gosh,
ties,
they're
little
crazy.
bows.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Little
Treasure boxes.
bugs. You could put bugs in
Um,
there if you're a little bug collector.
Earrings. Anything when you travel.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yep, all the little doodads. So you might need more than one,
You
but
might.
they definitely will hold a gift card.
And there's some nitty related ones and some non nitty related ones, so you don't have to feel like you're just getting
This
them
is
for
cute.
just
It's
nitty
like a
people.
teeny squirrel and a little like bagpipe or like flute player guy and yarn. It's very, very retro. It's really cute. So anyway, so we have those. What else? Holiday Stroll is this Friday.
and that would be our late night.
Downtown's
so open
first Friday.
Yep.
It'll be art walk downtown. I think it's going to be pretty nice.
Yeah,
still.
it's gonna be
Yeah,
busy.
and
It'll
busy.
be busy. So
We will have a fun activity in addition to being here knitting. Are we going to start our gift card thing on Friday night?
maybe we should. Let's do it. I say let's do. Yeah,
The
that's a
thought
great
just
idea.
occurred to me.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
see us at the Christmas
Yeah,
stroll.
we'll do that.
Yes.
And I'll make
We'll
up.
kick it
I'll
off.
make some different verbiage for that. But
Okay.
yeah, so
We'll be doing this, which
making
is
ornaments. to
kind of our
put on.
annual thing. I mean, we've done this every year.
Yeah, and everybody loves it. Kids and adults alike.
All ages.
So,
We have an abundance of little yarn scraps from Winding Yarn,
Yep,
so
we
we'll put
save
that out
'em.
on the table.
save them almost all year. They're
And
all
then,
colorful. And
yeah, it's quick and fun, and a little present for anybody. So we've got that going on Friday. Gift card sale, socks. What else? Any other Thanksgiving leftovers?
I didn't get enough, is what I think. I did not get enough Thanksgiving leftovers. I didn't get any turkey.
Why?
Well, it wasn't at my house.
That's
Oh,
the
Yes,
the leftovers.
we did bring home the apple pie. Yeah, the
that's good.
actual leftovers. But I'm actually hosting another Thanksgiving meal on Sunday because Jim's relatives are coming in. And so they're all coming over on Sunday for dinner. So
you're doing another like full on Thanksgiving?
yeah, and that reminds me. So we have this. I don't know if anybody does Jello desserts, but my aunt Lucille used to make this orange sherbet Jello with lots of mandarin oranges, and it was my favorite. But I've already discussed this with my sister. I'm pretty sure it's going to die with me, but. I made some and brought it over to Alice's house, and I left it there, and I'm sure they didn't even eat it.
Well, Jello keeps for
A long time.
I think it keeps well.
My sister said the one that's going to die with her is tomato aspic.
Oh, I've heard of that.
Yeah,
I've heard
it's
of it,
basically tomato juice Jello.
That-
And then you put celery and onions and stuff in it. Like my grandma used to serve it, and I'm like, no. But my dad and my sister, they're like, and yeah, she's probably the only one that likes it anymore.
Did you do much knitting over the long weekend?
Yeah, I got started on Alice's sleeves on her sweater, and then I got back to my shiny pixelated beanie, so I'm almost done with that.
Shiny pixel.
Well, I used the
some shiny
our
sparkly
sparkle yarns,
Okay.
so I think that'll be done in a day or two. What about you?
Not too much, no. I had a house full.
Yeah.
And it
Your
was
brother
fun.
came in from LA.
Brother and 3 kids and a boyfriend. So yeah,
that'll-
got to spend time with everybody.
Yeah.
So,
that'll-
but that's okay. Knitting can wait.
There's always time to knit.
That's
Have
right.
you heard of pressed tongue in aspic?
Oh my
Because
gosh.
one of our viewers said their mother made that.
You mean like
I don't
actual
know.
Are
tongue?
they from
But
the?
I felt like I needed to say
Are
it.
they
from-
Scandinavian?
I don't know.
Are
'Cause
they from the UK?
Maybe she'll answer, but
Hard to say right
yeah,
now.
that was a recipe that my grandma had for.
What, pressed tongue and
No, I
aspic?
mean the
Oh,
tomato
aspic.
aspect. That just,
I think that organ meats used to be used a lot more than they are now, like liver and stuff, right?
Okay, Australian.
okay, that would make sense.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna have to ask Maddie about that one.
That's kind of
She's
yucky.
gotten it since she's lived
A
there.
whole nother reason to be a vegetarian.
Yeah. Well, I don't think you could technically have Jello, like, because that's
Gelatin.
if you're vegan.
Vegan, yeah.
Yeah.
Vegan.
Yeah.
Funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, that's an exciting moment, and now we will have one next week.
Yes.
We'll be back.
you then.
Have a great week.
Bye,
Thank
everyone.
you.